Oh my God, you gotta see this. Yeah, g'day. Well, in this video, we are going to revisit the OOmpy WOOmpy Machine. That's right, this is a machine I started making in, I think, 2019. And, no, way before then. Don't know, 2016, something like that, I don't know. Years ago, it's been in the family a long time. So first, I will show you around this thing. Okay, this is it here. It's going good, it's a crazy machine. So let's start over here. This is an old battery charger, which I have made a new circuit, which is inside. It's actually got some lights in there and so on. And now it's a power pack. That turns on this windscreen wiper motor, which rotates this screw, which rotates this big gear thing here, which turns this shaft and this crank, and a crank on the other side, which pushes these travelling trolleys up and down this doodacky here. And these are connected into here. This is an old, spray bottle, spray thing. Nice brass thing, anyway. And these two arms attached to these carriages are attached to these things here. This one's got ball bearings in the cage. This one's like a cup, and there's a tube that runs between them. So what happens is when these go up, they travel up. The one with the cup travels higher than this one here with the ball bearings, and this pipe's open to the top here. This is going to be full of oil, so as it goes up, the oil will run out of here and flow over these bearings and back into here. And it just goes up and down and carries on doing its thing. So that's kind of it. Now where I got to was that there was way too much weight on these arms for this mechanism to power it. So I strengthened up, you can see I strengthened up the big cog here. And anyway, so to make it better, I'm going to balance it. So I've got this bike chain, which is connected here. That goes up onto this weight here. This is some lead that I've dripped onto this platform thing, whatever. And that will add, it'll balance this mechanism. I've got to add more lead onto this, it's not heavy enough. And then the other side, on the other arm, I haven't started yet, but we've got to put a little connector there. Same thing, chain up to this pulley, and then the counterweight down here. It's quite narrow through here. So this weight's going to be a different shape, maybe longer. I think it can go down as long as it doesn't hit this bad boy here. Yeah, the OOmpy WOOmpy Machine. Let's crack on, and first things first, going to finish this side, so you've got to work out how much more weight, or get some more weight onto this. Going to turn this upside down and drip some lead onto that underside, maybe weld a couple of nut bolts on there so it can grip on. But that's what's going to happen there. That's the first step, and then I'll move on to doing the other side. Okay, so follow along. Let's get this thing finished. that's worked out really good. It's a bit light, but that's good because this is going to be full of oil, where the the oil's going to come out over here and dribble over the bearings. Okay, now all I've got to do is make the other weight. So I'm going to get a bit of pipe, weld something on the bottom of it, don't really know, and then start dripping lead onto it till I get about 2.5 kilos. I've drilled a hole in the bottom of this thing and got this piece of rod which I am going to shove in there, weld that in there, let it stick out the bottom a bit so I can drip some lead over the back side of that, and then so then I can attach the chain up here and still fill it up. Okay, it's time to bring the fire. Okay, we are just about the metal in there, it's all nice and melted. Okay, that went pretty good. I'm going to take it inside now and put it on the OOmpy WOOmpy machine and maybe weigh it, see what it is, and see how well it goes. Yeah. There you go. 2.6 kilograms. Turned out pretty good, looks cool. Oh my God, you gotta see this. There she goes. See, they go in and they're kind of level. And then when it comes up, this one is going higher than this one. So all the oil should flow out of there. This windscrew wiper motor's got a nice wobble to it, quite like that. Still got to tidy up the wiring. Not drawing so much current now. This is on the upstroke now. Just 4 amps, not too bad. And he had a little light inside glowing. That's cool. Okay, I'm thinking of some lighting. So between the two weights here, up in here, I'm going to hang a light down. with oil, as you can see. And I'll turn it on now and show you how it goes. This is without the light on, still 4.5. See, the oil is dripping out and down over the bearings. And it's actually dripping back into the tub quite well. You can see when it goes back down, get some more oil. Bloop. And up she comes, there's oil just oozing over everything. It's beautiful. See the oil level going down there as it drains out over the bearings. It's not so clanky with all the oil. Kind of does what it's doing. There we go, up she goes, oil spewing over it. Beautiful. Okay, I think I'll leave that one there. I hope you enjoyed it. The OOmpy WOOmpy Machine, it's been a great thing to play around with. It is for sale, so contact me if you are feeling like this could be great in your lounge. Leave us a comment, that'll be great. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.